Hi guys, this is Miss Shields and we're going to talk a little bit about biomes this week. What are biomes? Biomes are regions in the world that share similar plant structures, animals, climate, and weather. How many biomes are there? Scientists disagree over the exact number of biomes, but in general they include around 8 to 10 biomes. Let's start with the tundra. It's very cold, has low diversity, simple vegetation, and a short growing season. The tundra abiotic factors include getting less than 25 inches per year of rainfall, and the temperature rarely gets higher than 10 degrees Celsius. Tundra plant adaptations include growing close to the ground, having shallow roots to absorb the limited water, and the trees grow less than a meter high. Tundra animal adaptations include having small ears, insulation, a thick coat, migration, few predators, and little competition. The grassland, it's also known as the savanna, and it's dominated by grasses. The savanna has a wet season and a dry season. The savanna gets about 25 to 150 inches per year in precipitation. Fire plays a large role in this ecosystem. Savanna plant adaptations include growing in tufts, resistance to drought, which is not having much rain. Many plants have thorns and sharp leaves to protect them against predators or predation. The savanna animals have adapted as well. They're adapted for a short rainy season. They migrate as necessary. They reproduce during the rainy season to ensure that the young survive. The desert is very dry. It can be hot or it can be cold. The desert gets less than 10 inches of rain per year. It's too dry for organisms to decay or rot, and the temperatures can be very hot or they can be very cold. Desert plant adaptations include having spines, succulents, thick waxy cuticles, shallow broad roots, and the plants are adapted to conserve water. Desert animal adaptations include getting water from food, a thick outer coat, burrowing during the day, large ears, smaller animals equals less surface area, and many animals are nocturnal. The tropical forest. Less than 1 centimeter of topsoil, about 100 inches of rainfall. There's little variation in the climate. The soil is nutrient poor and it's acidic. Sunlight is a major limiting factor. Plants grow in layers. The canopy receives the most light. They have shallow, wide roots since soil is so thin and poor in nutrients, and little sun reaches the floor. Many animals are specialists and require special habitat components in order to survive. Camouflage is common, it's very diverse, and the animals live in different levels. Deciduous forest. Temperate deciduous forest has about 30 to 100 inches of precipitation. The soil is rich with decayed matter and it's characterized by having 4 separate seasons. The temperate deciduous forest plant adaptations. Trees adapt to varied climates by becoming dormant in the winter. More sunlight reaches the ground compared to the rainforest. They lose their winter coat, adapt to many seasons, and eat from different layers of the forest. The taiga, also called the coniferous forest or the boreal forest. It's the largest terrestrial biome. Terrestrial meaning land. Winters are long and cold. It averages 100 inches per year in precipitation, which is mostly snow. It has a short growing season. Coniferous or needle-bearing trees are abundant. Their roots are long to anchor trees. The needles are long, thin, and waxy. The animals there adapt for cold winters. They burrow, hibernate, and they have a warm coat with insulation. And animals usually use fat for insulation. Marine biomes consist of oceans, coral reefs, and estuaries. The ocean is the largest of all the ecosystems. The ocean contains a diverse array of plants and animals at various depths and zones. It includes ponds and lakes, streams and rivers, and wetlands. So we're going to study biomes for the next couple of weeks. I hope you all have a wonderful day.